I'm going to cut the expressions hair in half because it is long. And then when I attach the expressions hair to my hair, I try to make sure I don't braid it too tight because I want them to be loose looking. I also want them to be like kind of waist and back length. The technique I use is I braid the whole section that I'm working on. Then I would twist right after. So this is what one of the sections look like. When I start wrapping, I grab two of the NOIR's hair from the Janet collection, and I place an end of it around the base, and I wrap it 3 to 4 times just so it can be tight and secure. And then I start wrapping all the way down. You want to make sure you wrap the braid really tight to cover it entirely. Once I finish wrapping that first section, I grab the second piece and I finish wrapping the rest of the braid. And I do the same thing, wrap it 3 or 4 times, wrapping towards the bottom. Once I get all the way to the bottom of the braid, I do start wrapping upwards. And then once I finish wrapping upwards, I just rub my hands together against the dreads or the locks just to lock it in place. I'm going to show you guys another time how I do it because I didn't really show me wrapping going upwards. Oh, and by the way, this is Afro twist hair that I'm using to wrap the hair. I use this hair because I like my faux locks to look as natural as possible. So here you can see me wrapping the base 3 to 4 times, maybe even more. Then I start wrapping towards the bottom. Then once I finish with the first hair from the Afro twist, then I grab the second piece and I'm going to do the same thing again. Once I get to the length that I want, I start wrapping upwards. Then I grab my hands and I rub it together. And you see that little end piece there? I put my hands together again. Throughout the rest of the clip, you're going to see me performing the same technique. And I'm just going to be alternating between the different colors. I have light brown and I have like a really dark brown. It's a level 2. So here you see how I start working in the front, and then I will work on the rest of that big section. So as you can see, same steps. Coat the perimeter with the EDGEWAX, then part my hair in sections, and I begin to braid, and I'll do all the braids in that one section. All done. And then this is what it looks like when it's already wrapped, that section. I did get tired because I was doing this like 1 a.m. So I did like pick up my hair and just finished it the next day. But this is what it looked like before I went to sleep. This is the final look when I finally finished the following morning. Then I'm going to grab some shears. I'm just going to clean up any of like little scraps of extra hair that I see like sticking out, because I didn't want them to look somewhat clean but natural. But that about wraps up this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to like. And most of all, don't forget to share the video. Till next time, mucho besitos.